Hello my dear students, welcome back. This video is for the students of class first, subject Maths, chapter 2, numbers 1 to 20, and it's our revision lecture number 5. In this video, our subtopics are comparison of numbers, number names 1 to 10, before, after and between. In this video, today we are going to cover 3 topics. Students, I have explained all these topics earlier many times. Today again I am explaining these topics for better clearance. So if you have any confusion, it will be cleared today. You will be able to get more and you will be able to do more effectively all these topics. So let's start our first topic, that is comparison of numbers. Here we have number 14. Let me tell you first what is comparison of numbers. Comparison of numbers means you have to compare the number, which number is greater and which number is smaller. Comparison में हमें नंबर को कंपेयर करना होता है कि कौन सा नंबर बिग है और कौन सा नंबर स्मॉल है. कंपैरिजन हम कैसे करते हैं? बाय पुटिंग साइन ऑफ ग्रेटर देन, लेस देन एंड इक्वल टू. 3 साइंस पुट करके हम उनका कंपैरिजन शो करते हैं. Here we have number 1 4 14 and this side we are having number 1 8 18. We have to compare both these numbers. We have to compare that which number is greater and which number is smaller. So when you are going to do comparison, you have to judge the first number. हमें first number को always देखना है. If it's smaller, then we will put a sign of less than, means closed mouth. If this number is greater than, if this number is greater to the second number, then we have to put a sign of greater than. If both sides the numbers are equal, then we have to put a sign of equal to. Okay students, so you have to compare both the numbers. 1 4 14 is greater or 1 8 18. If you are confused that how to compare, then compare by the places. Look at the tens place. Here it's having 1, it also having 1. Now come to the ones place. अब हम ones place को देखेंगे. जिस ये 4 small है, 8 big है, तो हमें फर्स्ट नंबर को देखना है. 14 small है, 18 big है. So we have to put a sign of less than and we will speak it. 14 is less than 18. Next 19 and this side we are having 10. So which number is greater, which number is smaller? Here we have 1, here also 1, here we have 9 and here we have 0. So 9 is greater than 0. That means 19 is greater than 10. So a sign of open mouth is the sign of greater than. 19 is greater than 10. 13 and 13. Both sides, as you can see, the numbers are equal. So we can say that 13 is equal to 13. Both side numbers are equal. So we will put a sign of equal to. Okay students, so here we have done comparison of numbers. We do comparison by using 3 signs: less than, greater than and equal to. You have to make sign clearly like this. it should be clear, not like 7, not like opposite 7, not like opposite L. It should be clear like this. Now let's do numbers and number names 1 to 10. This number is 1 and the number name is O-N-E, 1. This number is 2 and the number name is T-W-O, 2. This number is 3, T-H-R-E-E, 3. Speak with me. O-N-E, 1, T-W-O, 2, T-H-R-E-E, 3. This number is 4, F-O-U-R, 4. This number is 5, F-I-V-E, 5. This number is 6, S-I-X, 6. This number is 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7. This number is 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8. Students, when it is asked that tell me the number names, so you have to tell the spelling like this. And when I ask that tell the number, then it is number. It's number name, it's number. So when your teacher or someone asked about number names, so you have to tell this one. When someone asked about number, so tell this one. जब कोई पूछता है कि नंबर नेम, तो हमें ये बताना होता है. जब आपसे कोई पूछे नंबर, तो आपको ये बताना होता है. It's number and it's number name. One more thing that you always get confused about 13 and 30, 14 and 40, 15 and 50. Listen carefully. It's 13. It's teen. 13 means 13 and 30 30s. It's a little bit difference of pronunciation. 13 it takes time to speaking. 13 को बोलने में टाइम लगता है. It takes time. 13 and 30. 14 40, 15 50, 16 60. So don't get confused about the numbers. It's number 9, N-I-N-E, 9. And this number is 10, 10, T-E-N, 10, T-E-N, 10. Now let's do before, after and between. Here we have number 17. First of all, we will do after. So here we have number 17. When you have to do after, you have to count the next number. जब हमें काउंट करना होता है, जब हमें फिल करना होता है आफ्टर, जब स्पेस किसी नंबर के बाद में होता है, दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू फिल देयर आफ्टर. So after 17, which number comes? Let's start counting with me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 1 8, 18. After 17, the number comes 18. 17, then 18. Next we have number 15. 1 5, 15. So we have to count the next number to 15. Let's count with me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then 16. 1 6, 16. After 15, which number comes? 16. 1 6, 16. Next 9. 9 से next number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 0 10. 9 के बाद 10. So here we have done after. Now let's do before. Here we have number 14. जब डैश नंबर के आगे दिया होता है तो आपको क्या करना है, उससे प्रीवियस नंबर काउंट करना है कि इस नंबर के जस्ट पहले कौन सा नंबर आता है, वो बिफोर होता है. बिफोर मीन्स पहले, तो आपको जस्ट पहले वाला नंबर राइट करना होता है. ओके, सो इन बिफोर वी हैव टू राइट जस्ट प्रीवियस नंबर. So let's count with me. 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 के पहले कौन सा नंबर आया? 1 3, 13. 1 3, 13. 1 3, 13. Next we have 1 7, 17. अब हमें कौन सा नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है जो 17 के बिल्कुल जस्ट पहले होता है. तो 17 के जस्ट पहले कौन सा नंबर होता है? लेट्स सी. लेट्स काउंट विद मी. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 के पहले कौन सा नंबर हुआ? 1 6, 16. 1 6, 16. नेक्स्ट 2 0, 20. 20 के जस्ट पहले कौन सा नंबर होता है? लेट्स काउंट विद मी. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 के पहले कौन सा नंबर आया? 19. Now let's do between. Here we have number 11 and here we are doing between. Between means बीच में. 2 नंबर के बीच में जब डैश दिया हो तो आपको क्या राइट करना है? between means इन दोनों नंबर के बीच में कौन सा आएगा. Suppose here we have 11 and here we have 13. 11 के बाद और 13 से पहले कौन सा नंबर आता है? इन दोनों के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आता है? लेट्स काउंट. 11, 12, 13. So the number 12 will come here. 11, 12, 13. Now 10, 12. After 10, before 12. 10, 11, 12. 10, 11, 12. 6 and 8. 6 और 8 की between. Here we have number 6, 7, 8. The number 7 will come here. 6, 7, 8. So here we have covered our 3 topics: comparison of numbers, number names 1 to 10, and after, before and between. I hope now all the topics are clear to you. So my lovely children, now it's time to take homework. And your homework is do assignment number 1. Here is your assignment. Here is your assignment number 1. Question number 1. Write the missing number names. You have to write the missing number names here. 11, after the 11, 13, then next 15 dash 17 dash dash. Next is what comes after. You have to write number which comes after, what comes before. And question 4 is what comes between. You have to write the number which comes between 13 and 15, 11 and 13, 9 and 11. Now it's time to solve the previous homework, previous lecture's homework. In the previous lecture, your homework was write ordinal numbers 1 to 10 in your notebook. So here I have mentioned ordinal numbers. I hope you all have done in your notebook. Now repeat with me. F-I-R-S-T, first. S-E-C-O-N-D, second. T-H-I-R-D, third. F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth. F-I-F-T-H, fifth. S-I-X-T-H, sixth. S-E-V-E-N-T-H, seventh. E-I-G-H-T-H, eighth. N-I-N-T-H, nine. T-E-N-T-H, 10. Do once again. F-I-R-S-T, first. First means पहला. First means पहला. जब कोई फर्स्ट पोजीशन गेन करता है उसका मतलब होता है कि वो पहले नंबर पर आया है. S-E-C-O-N-D, सेकेंड. सेकेंड मतलब दूसरा. सेकेंड मतलब दूसरा. T-H-I-R-D, थर्ड. थर्ड मतलब तीसरा. थर्ड मतलब तीसरा. F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth. Fourth means चौथा. Fourth means चौथा. F-I-F-T-H, fifth. Fifth means पांचवा. Fifth means पांचवा. S-I-X-T-H, sixth. Sixth means छठा. S-E-V-E-N-T-H, seventh. Seventh means सातवा. E-I-G-H-T-H, eighth. Eighth means आठवा. N-I-N-T-H, nine. Ninth means नौवा. T-E-N-T-H, T-H, 10. 10 means 10 one. So students, here we have done. Before going, I would like to say, subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, share these videos, watch my all videos. Till the next video, bye bye, take care.